Hello, how you doing today? Welcome to another episode of Ubuntu and Open Source. Today I would like to continue with what can I do with my Linux computer. Today we're on number 2, create and edit productivity documents. There are many cross-platform productivity suites that run on Linux, Mac OS X, and Windows. Right here I have LibreOffice Writer where I can export as a PDF, or if I wanted to save as in many file different formats, the Microsoft Word format, open text document format, rich text, plain or simple text, and others. LibreOffice is pretty compatible to Microsoft Office. And so this is something I was just playing with. As you can see, this is a paid planner, personal planner, paid for. From this here website, Vertex, where you have the monthly calendar, the weekly page, and the daily page. Then here's the copyright from Vertex. This is where you would enter the different events for holidays and events. So as you can see, I'm using my LibreOffice Cal to run this here Microsoft Excel application. So LibreOffice is pretty compatible. So after LibreOffice, we have in LibreOffice does have many Linuxes, Mac OS X, and Windows versions. So it's cross-platform. Then we also have Apache OpenOffice, which is similar to LibreOffice. And they offer Windows, Linux, Mac OS X, and other platforms of operating systems, which is quite good. They offer them for the Open Solaris project and Solaris, as well as BSD, Free Berkeley Software Development, that would be BSD. So Apache OpenOffice has many platforms of Linux, and as in your other Windows PC and Mac OS X desktops as well. WPS Office. They offer for Windows PC, Linux, Android, and iOS 10 devices. Now, when WPS Office is different in that you just have the three main applications here: Writer, Spreadsheets, and Presentation. So a blank presentation, and that it tries to mimic the Microsoft Office three main applications, mimicking them in that you have a ribbon up here on the top, just as you would in Microsoft Office. WPS Office is free to use. They do have an end user license agreement. It's free to use, to download, install, and use. So just to make you aware of that. And then we have OnlyOffice. Now, OnlyOffice is a little unique, where they have the one application starter, and every time we start a document or a different type of document, it uses tabs. So it's all contained within one application. But OnlyOffice does offer a cloud solution as well that integrates with your OnlyOffice. Where if I were to go save, and OnlyOffice does offer just PDF and docx file formats and open document text format to save the file as. So this is OnlyOffice. Calligra Suite. Calligra Suite is geared more towards an office solution where I have words, spreadsheets, presentation, a planner, a database, drawn, and a diagram drawer, and a brain dump where you just brainstorm. So this is brain dump, and you just brainstorm ideas. LibreOffice offers Mac OS X and many other Linux solutions installations. And so far as an Office suite, you can also do desktop publishing. For that, we have Scribus. Scribus is fully open source, a desktop publisher. And you can save as just as a for Scribus these formats. Now you can export to EPS or an image file or a PDF file or a vector image SVG file format. But that's not the only solution for desktop publishing that I have here. PageStream is a desktop publisher for Amiga, Linux, Mac OS X, and Windows. PageStream history started out in 1986 when it was first released for the Atari. Then it has evolved into Amiga, and then these other platforms that they offer, Linux, Mac OS X, and Windows. PageStream offers demo downloads to try it out. I have not tried PageStream, but since it's been around since 1986, I'm sure it's a really excellent desktop publisher. Then there's also VivaDesigner. VivaDesigner is another desktop publisher, but they offer a free version as well as a paid-for version. VivaDesigner desktop publisher is cross-platform. They have a trial version, a free version, personal edition, commercial edition, education versions, and nonprofit organization versions, and a government version. So if we go to downloads here, I played with this one in the free version. It's pretty much like Scribus. It seems to be alright, but I'm sure if I wanted to do heavy desktop publishing, I would want to get a paid version, but as a free edition, now you can see there's Windows, Mac OS X, and Linux versions. Same with the full version. So there's VivaDesigner. Also, what I want to talk about in productivity documents is also create and edit PDF files. And the one I've chose to show up here is Master PDF Editor. And you can download it for Windows, Linux, and Mac OS X. It too comes up in the graphics area instead of the Office area. As you can see, you can create and edit PDFs. I have no recent files since I just downloaded and installed it. So if you need an alternative to Adobe PDF, here's one available. You can view, create, modify, sign, scan, and print PDF documents with the Master PDF Editor. So, there you go. Create and edit productivity documents on your Linux computer. Thank you.